Today, the United States Supreme Court largely upheld the President's health care law, a law that has increased health care prices, implements stifling regulations, and made sweeping changes to Medicare, cutting $500 billion out of the program. While the Supreme Court rightly observed that Congress does not have unbridled authority under the Constitution to force Americans to purchase a good or service, it held that the federal government can tax the American public simply for not purchasing a certain product or service. Because you live in the United States of America, you now will be taxed if you do not buy health insurance. Too many Nevadans can't afford health insurance now, and the threat of a tax is not going to change that fact. If you're a senior who's enrolled in Medicare Advantage, this program will now be phased out. And if you're aging into retirement, an unelected board of 15 bureaucrats in Washington now has the authority to deny you care. This law has now been affirmed as a colossal tax increase on the middle class, and its excessive regulations are stripping businesses of the certainty that they need to hire at a time when people are desperate for jobs. But a number of things haven't changed between the passage of the President's health care law and today. Nevada led the nation in unemployment then, and continues experiencing the highest unemployment rate in the nation today. Families and small businesses are struggling then, they're struggling today. While Nevadans were losing their jobs and their homes, Congress spent a year debating this contentious health care legislation. Now, they'll be faced with an onerous new tax that will drain precious resources that could be going to job creation and securing their family's future. My position on this issue remains unchanged. The health care law should be repealed and replaced with meaningful reforms that will allow for economic growth. Nevada families and businesses are already struggling in this current economic environment, and the President's job-killing health care law is making a difficult situation worse.